Hi guys, this is Usha from Phonics. A warm welcome to my video. Today we are going to see what is material noun. First we are going to see the definition. Material nouns are the names of materials or substances and it's uncountable, which means we cannot count. Material nouns are just like concrete nouns that we can see, touch, smell, taste or hear. We get material nouns from plants, animals, nature, and also they can be man-made things. Okay, let us see some example. I hope they will make you more clear. Okay, so examples are honey, egg, milk, wool. These are all the things we get from animals. Food, oil, cotton, coffee, or all the things we get it from plants. Water, air, rain, gold, salt, sunlight, or all the materials we get it from nature. And ghee, butter, cloth, brick, cement, chalk. These are all man-made things. And one more thing we have to keep in mind is we cannot use the articles a, an, and the before uncountable material nouns. And also we can use the articles a, an, and the before countable material nouns. Let us see the example. Don't say I have a gold. I have a silver. I have a sugar. I have a water. But you can say I have a gold coin. I have a silver nose pin. I have a bowl of sugar. So keep in mind guys, don't use the articles before uncountable material noun. You can use the articles before countable material noun. Thank you.